Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Quora account. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to go to Quora website, and here you need to search for Quora in the Google Chrome. So make sure you have already logged into Quora, and here you need to go to your profile, which is K. And right after that, you just need to go to settings here. So in the left side, you can see here many options, and just in the second last line, you can see language. Just click on this. So now you have landed to language setting. So here English is the primary language in Quora. So now I'd like to choose Hindi. So yes, just click on this. And yes, the Quora is now in the Hindi language. And simply you can just change this into English also by clicking on this world sign. Just click on this, and here you can see English. And yes, it is in English now. So in this way, you can just change language in Quora. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and to comment down below. Thank you.